YouTubers unboxing video here. This is a product I bought off Amazon. I would have the link down below, but trying to get this channel monetized, does not appear that the YouTube gods really like people in that stage to have their Amazon links down there. So at some point the link will be in here, but for right now it's not. So this is looks like do-it-yourself PC. This is model Solo-T2-BK. BK probably being black, and there it says there, B Gamer. So let me find a knife to get this open. Alright, so we got our handy dandy knife. I just got this yesterday. Surprisingly, it's taken me 24 hours to put together. This is for another computer build I'm doing. As you've probably seen, all of the different computer builds we've done here, all generations of Intel. I haven't done any AMD lately, but pretty much all Intel. I think this is going to be a i3 8100, 12 gig, 1050 Ti or RX 580, and what else? SSD, some kind of SSD, and a rock motherboard, I think, in this one, just to do something different. Alright, so let me pull this out of here. Alright, so now we just gotta get the plastic off, and hopefully there's no damage to this thing. There was some damage to the box, which always sucks to see. Not like these things are super tough. Made in China, just in case you're wondering. And some little piece fell out. That's not a good sign. Not sure what that's to. Hopefully it's not important. Throw it in the box. Alright. So, let's unscrew these guys so we can take a look at this thing. Put the back up inside. Ooh, damage. There is damage, damn it. That sucks. I hate getting damaged stuff in the mail. Dagnabbit. Alright, well. So, usually, oh no, it's the motherboard that has all the screws and bolts. Here's a piece that may have broke off. Some kind of hard drive slot there. This is a mid-tower case, so decently sized compared to the micro. A little easier to work on. This is kind of scary, the fact that where are the you only get to put your hard drives in 2 spots, and you appears you have to buy your own slots there. That sucks. There's a place to mount something there, which is probably a could be an SSD hard drive. And 2 fans come with it. Looks like one's colored blue, and hopefully they have LEDs. Enough slots there for video cards, and obviously that area is where your power supply is going to go. But that is overall view. Just so you can see the different connectors that came with it. This is a newer rig, so hopefully has all the current stuff. Nothing worse than buying older thing, getting old crap. But there's the case, so thanks for checking it out. Please like, please subscribe.